Um, Interesting. Oh, there we go. Okay, cool. I'm peeking at Restream right now, and it's working fine. Okay, cool. Everything's working fine. Awesome. Yeah, my Twitter's working again. Perfect. I just had to reset it. Howdy, everybody. I hope we're all doing fabulous today. I am doing wonderfully, and I'm excited about today. Today's going to be really fun. We're going to build some really, really cool stuff. I'm very hype. Hip-hoppity hype. We're going to be building in v.One today. Well, actually, let me do my little intro, and then we can just jump right into it. Oh, as usual, I don't know why. I am just always tired on these Wednesday streams. Always dang tired. Also, I have some cool plans that we're going to discuss towards the end for the next few streams. Well, not cool plans. It's mostly going to be me catching up with all the shit that we've built on the stream. And I haven't finished yet. But whatever. Also, let's play some heckin' lo-fi, because that's what we usually do. Well, I typed foil instead. I don't know how that happened. Lo-fi beats to relax / study to. That's what we need. That is what we need right now. Oh, I can't hear Jack. Sound. Clearly I'm unprepared. I apologize.
Hello.
It's terrifying. Nothing scarier than a blank piece of paper.
Right,
We're going to be in like the
down.
sketch phase, so it's all
Still
about
pretty
sloppy
loud.
time.
Oh, good.
I'm not a perfectionist.
There we go.
Oh,
That's
dear.
an ad. How's this? How's this? Nope, still a little bit loud. I feel like we can drop that a little bit more. Yeah. That sounds good to me. I'm looking at the waveform and I'm like, maybe? Let me up it a little bit more. Okay, cool. That should be fine. Hopefully the lo-fi. We vibe with the lo-fi. Alright, cool. Yeah, new entrepreneur bucks. Yeah, I updated a couple things on the stream. Man. And I rebuilt some of the rewards and things like that, and does it keep making you resub? That is weird. Sippy cup. Ugh. Keeps making you resub. That's weird. I wonder why. Yeah, because it does. Well, no, hold on. No, it still says you're a 4-month subscriber on my end. Really? There's no lag now? That's nice. Something changed. That's positive though. Yeedo. I hope you're doing well. We should play some more Minecraft soon. 'Cause I'm always down. Yeah. Yeedo. That's so cool. I have infinite nerd points. What a power move. Ugh. I'm only on here to promote Perry. I support it. Did you read the rules in the chat though? What's up, Jackhammer? How's it going? What's up, Mark? Hope everybody's doing well. Let me do my intro so we can just get started and start goofing off. Hello, my name is Max. This is Entrepreneur. We build, don't, Pretzel says don't over-promote everything in moderation. I support it, yeah, no, that's fine. Anyway, my name is Max. This is Entrepreneur. Yeehaw. Today we are going to be building a app, and the idea I think is going to be building a murder mystery sort of app. I'm really excited about it. We're going to be using v.One, which is one of our sponsors, one of our wonderful sponsors, which I will get to in a second. Yeah, it should be a whole lot of fun. So we're just kind of testing out the functionality of this new tool, having a good bit of fun with it. I have a bunch of other ideas that I think v.One would be really perfect for, and I want to kind of test out the functionality of it to make sure that it fits. But yeah, this will be a lot of fun. Building an app. Mobile apps. Yeehaw. I'm sponsored by 3 people. They're all wonderful companies. The first right here is v.One. So, v.One, if it's not obvious at this point, is a mobile app development tool. You can build awesome mobile apps. You can export them any which way you want. It has tons of integrations with things like Webflow and Canva. So you can actually, if you're proficient at other no-code tools, you can bring that right into the app itself, the app builder itself. So it's a whole lot of fun, and it's a really, really nice design tool. I'd say the most advanced design tool for sure if you're trying to build apps. And then Restream in the middle. Restream is wonderful. I'm using them right now. They let me watch all of the different locations, Twitch, YouTube, soon to be Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn all at once. So I can ooh, background music. I'm listening to the background music. So yeah, wonderful streaming tool if you want to get into live streaming to multiple places across the internet. Restream is going to be awesome. I'm going to pop a link in the chat in a second. Why are you revolting, Pretzel? I haven't left. Yeah, anyway. And the last one over there. I keep forgetting where my green screen cuts off. The last one is Universe, and last week, but last week, we built something using Universe on the stream, and it's essentially a way to build websites on your phone, like build actual websites just using your phone, and we were able to build a really, really nice, sexy website that's really highly mobile-oriented, of course, using Universe. It's a really, really cool tool. I'm going to pop in sponsors, boom, and I think that'll work. Will it? Yes. Beautiful. So those are the sponsors. It's over on Twitch if you want to go check them out. Yike. Ooh. Oh, alrighty. And yes, we have some nice, smooth, Christmassy-ish, really Christmassy, lo-fi in the background, according to Emmett. He likes it, so that's fire. Cool. Neato. Pretzel's got it too. Yeah, I need to fix it so you can also do exclamation point affiliate, and that should give you the link to a bunch of different affiliate links that I use, which is kind of funny. Man, I'm stuffy today. I've realized that it's just like so many new things. I was only AFK for a week. Yeah, no, it was like too little. Exclamation point help. It was only a little bit. It was a couple little updates, but it's been going well. Yeah, very happy with it. I've been playing a bunch of Going Under in my spare time, having a ton of fun with it. I love that game. It's so interesting though, because I feel like it might be a bad game for me to stream, just because it's so engaging that I can't like talk and blab. I have to like constantly be thinking, right? Whereas with like an RPG game, like a simple little RPG game, like I don't know, like Zelda or something, I'm just wandering around like booping, blopping, having a good time, thinking a little bit, trying to figure stuff out, and then I have a lot of mental energy to talk, right? I have a lot of mental kind of bandwidth to chat. But I feel like with Going Under, like I'm so deep into the game, I like don't say anything. That's what I'm worried about. I don't know. I would love to know if anybody has any opinions on that. Alrighty. Let's get heckin' into it. So I'm gonna move over to boom. Yeet. Does that look good? I feel like it's lower than usual. Yeah, it's definitely lower than usual. Interesting. Something's up. Is there a... Nope, that's just naturally happening. Odd. Very odd. Oh, it's pushing it down. Because it doesn't have all that space, maybe? Let's try this. Yeah, that works fine. Interesting. So it's pushing it down. Very interesting. Okay, so let's fix that. Let's make it a little bit less ugly. Other than that, there's just weird lines all around everything. That is very funky. Okay. Let me push top bar branding down slightly. Boom. That looks good. Cool. Had a call of I gotta work on this integration and actually couldn't give me much info on it. That's interesting. It might be new. It might be a new thing. That's good to know. So the one thing that we won't be able to use is Airtable. I set it up weird, and I was talking with some people from the customer help team. And they're really, really helpful. but I think I did something wrong when I set it up because I already had an Airtable account. I like linked it with the wrong part and it got all funky. So I just need to reattempt that, but I don't think we'll need it for right now. Okay. I have contacts here, and this is locked. I'll unlock it. Name and image shows up. Very interesting. WooCommerce? Yeah, exactly. WooCommerce has been around forever, but everybody's always advertising their new fancy, newfangled shop integration. So it's interesting. But no, maybe the WooCommerce thing is new. That's good to know. And then for its database, it integrates directly with Airtable for things like categories. Ooh, collection on Webflow. That's fun. Bookmarks, camera, everything looks good. Yeah, the only thing that uses Airtable, I think, is categories, which we probably won't be using anyway. So, but yeah, I need to go and set that up. But it has a nice backend database, super nice, and they have code embeds. Ooh, freaking beautiful. It feels like I'm working with like Wix. It's interesting because it's just all drag and drop, right? It's all drag and drop, and it's so nice. Okay. So the goal here is to build. The goal is first of all like I've played around with this a lot, but I want to get like more familiar with it, and I haven't like built too much with it yet, personally. So just because like when I'm messing around with tools, I usually just play, and so this is a nice encouragement for me to actually go and build something. So I'm excited. But yeah, we're gonna try to build a murder mystery app today, and it should be really fun. I'm excited. A discovery app, very interesting. Testimonials, a table. So the idea is very, very simple. It is literally just build a WordPress site. I want to see if I can use v.One to make an app. Totally, yeah. Okay. Ooh, man. So all I really want, I'm gonna make this super, super simple, is the way that I played a murder mystery kind of game with a couple of friends for like a murder mystery like dinner party was we all had printed out sheets, right? We all had printed out sheets of like different things that we had done, right? And we all kind of read through them, and we all like passed judgments after we went and read everything, right? In this house, we pretend we're invested. I certainly do. Oh man, that is absolutely true pretzel for me. Hey, some people are really good at it. Once you get used to WordPress, then like you can do just about anything. So I totally understand why Mark and a lot of other people are into it. I know clients that are into it. Like once you get really into it, it like does its job dang well once you know all the parameters. But if you're building simple stuff from scratch, I just personally, it's very much a personal preference, but I just can't deal with WordPress. I don't know why. Okay, so cool. But the only thing that we really need is something absurdly simple. We need a starting place, and I was thinking maybe I could add like a video or the camera's cool, so you have a little camera app. For a lot of tools, you'll finally figure out which plugins you hate least. Exactly, yeah. It's the process. It's just how it works. I feel like I'm saying a lot today. Okay. All these things. Cute. Rewards. Interesting. App screen templates. Browse all. Yeah. Let's browse some full templates. Let's see if I can find some cool templates. Oh, interesting. You can design it. You can build it. A walkthrough. Just helpful. Chat with us. Build them from scratch. Start here. Search our help center. Or start. Okay, so this resets everything. Interesting. Do they not have these? Let's see. Maybe I did something wrong. How about watching via YouTube? Does this chat make it to you as well? It certainly does, Wade. How's it fucking going? Information and data, working with text. How do I go from card layout to list layout? Interesting. So this goes more to the help center. So I think they aren't ready with the templates yet, which is cool. Maybe we can make a template. Hey, there's a business idea. Actually, though, on like apps like Glide, like people are making a whole business out of just making templates. So if v.One is low on templates, anyway, okay. Proud of you. Never mind, I see it. Cool. Yeah, Wade, how's it going? Hope you're doing well. For a lot of tears, a friend. Understand this and I can build almost anything with this point. So no, fucking Mark, I support the shit out of you. Like, if you take the time to learn WordPress, you can probably build whatever the fuck you want because the amount of plugins there are just insane. So they have by far the most amount of plugins, and everything else is catching up slowly. Okay, I want to make something slide to left to right. Use this horizontal container. Okay. There's a chat function that would be kind of cute. Let's first start with a. Is there a video player or is there just an audio player? Let's see. I could just embed, to be totally honest. Discovery. Now, you know what? Audio player sounds a little bit sexier, actually. Because I don't want this to have too much tags, features recommended. Interesting. Disable heading. Show titles, show author, show picture. Horizontal. Okay, that's fine. Font style. Interesting. Background color. It's still loading. Okay. I'm gonna bring this up to the top, center it nice and tightly, and then let's actually. Can I just? No, I have to drag. Do this, and then let's see. So we have the audio player. That's the intro. Actually, no, I am gonna include heading. Change font style, font family. What do we got down here? Do something like this. Can I center it? I don't think so. I can add tags. Very interesting. Now you know what? No heading. I'll add my own heading. Let's go and add some text. Boop. Drop this down here. Can I see everything? I can. Beautiful. Font size should be optimum size. Overall, anything below 16. Boom. Alright, text here. Bring this up here. And this is going to be the introduction. This is going to be the little intro page. Also, which page am I on? I can't remember. Boom. 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 Perfect. We're on the first page. Awesome. So these web apps like Glide, are they published in the store? So I believe when we publish, we can actually make live an app store and export source code. And you can push to test flight. Or you can just publish to a website. So I think they seem to have full functionality, which is pretty dang cool. And you can export the source code, which I really like. I don't think I've seen any other tool do that. That's really fun. And then you can customize things from there, which is kind of nice. Actually, from Untitled Learning Chapter, a couple weeks ago, I managed to create curriculum for Mobile Maker EDU. Dude, fucking, it's nice to see you here, Wade. Sorry for cursing. It's just, it's the thing that we do here. But that's super cool. I'm glad that you've heard about me through that. It's good to have you here. Yeah, if there's anything that I can help you with, you managing curriculum, dude, that's amazing. I'm helping with some curriculum here and there for some schools. If there's anything that I can do kind of in that space, or you think there's a way that we can work together, just shoot me a message. But it's wonderful to have you on stream. Let me know if you have any questions. Okay, so text here, beautiful. Background color, none. Text here. Let's say, welcome to murder. What a fun time. God, I'm hilarious. Okay, welcome to murder. Just gonna try to make this fun. Oh, cool. Does it? No, it doesn't reset the location automatically. Okay. Perfect. It's giving me advice as I'm going along. That's actually really nice. Gives you design advice as you're going along. I wonder if there's something that I did wrong with the audio player. It does not seem to be having a great time. Vertical, maybe. Tags, disable heading, show title, show author, show picture, show play button. Maybe it's looking for some information that I haven't given it yet, so we'll check later. settings. Content login sign up form, custom mode. Ooh, login sign up form. I like that. Custom mode. E-commerce app, show icon title. No. I like this though. I like the login form. Those are hard to make. This is, what's up, Jacob? This is v.One. So you would go to your, actually I can type it in Twitch. Your v.One.com. That's what I'm using, Jacob. Great question. It's a wonderful, wonderful tool. I really like it. I'm gonna enable the sign up form, placeholder contents, the data tab to connect to Airtable to see real data. Yes. Okay, so maybe it's gonna have a little bit of trouble. Yeah, Airtable's not connecting. That's a shame. I'll keep FUTs in there, but we shouldn't need it for the majority of this. So, where was the login sign up form? Boom, and then sign up. Login, sign up. Beautiful. Of course, Jacob. I hope you have fun with it. Login text. I guess this is the button. Yep. Login. Oops. Login, and then sign up. And let's see. Button color will be red, just for the heck of it. Ooh. Man, I am exceptionally stuffy today. I added a little Twitch notification where you can ask me to blow my nose now. Oh man, because I have a big nose and a dust allergy, so it's just bound to happen. Okay, so we have this. I feel like the sign up form works. That's great. Maybe background image. We need a background image or a logo. A logo would be nice. Yeah. And I'm going to showcase this. If I just click design on Canva, it just lets me design on Canva right in this thing, which is just so wild. Logo thing. Look at this picture of my sister's cat. It's one of the cats that I babysat. Look at it freaking out. Like, you can't see. It's so funny. My head is always in the way. Okay, my head is literally directly in the space where we want to design. Oh man, what a terrible thing. Okay, let's go with elements. What's up, Sinclair? How's it fucking going? I hope you're doing well. Let's go with a circle. Let's go with that kind of red that we were seeing before. I know the Minecraft one viewer, she's already making an entry in a Discord server. I have, but here's the thing. I've definitely considered it. The only thing is, I tried making that like online community with Partheon. Also, I like this little like sun effect we have going on with the ball. I've considered it, but I tried making that Partheon server, right, where people can kind of communicate and ask questions, and nobody really did. It just wasn't like a popular thing. And so my assumption was that online communities in general, for me, are like, this is the online community, right? The Twitch streams are the online community. People come here to ask questions, hang out, and do things. But if something like that, maybe it did. I don't know, Pretzel. I kind of really like the tool, and I thought it solved the problem, but maybe. It is entirely possible, yeah. So I will, if everybody wants me to make a Discord server, if I can get, like, a significant number of votes, like, that's why I didn't click into it. Totally fair. That is 100% fair. If that's the case, I think more people might know about Discord. Totally fair, yeah. I don't know. I'm still fucking with it. But if people want me to make a Discord server, let's do it. The Partheon is a little bit more for courses. Partheon is a little bit more for educational stuff, which is why I thought it fit with me, because people ask questions. I give curriculum, or I give videos to solve those problems, and it's more of an educational kind of thing. But I guess Entrepreneur is a little bit more entertainment than I kind of thought, right? Everybody does use Discord, though. It's true, yes. I assumed it was more for gaming, but if I'm on Twitch, then it makes sense anyway, because everybody on Twitch probably knows Discord. So I don't know. I do not know. But if people want me to make a Discord, if you say, like, if a few people say yeah, then screw it. Let's do it. I'm not about to, like, disagree with customers. Like, the fuck we're trying to be entrepreneurs. So I'm down with whatever. So Mark is 1 vote. Everybody else, let me know. I don't use Discord, but we use it just for this. Well, here, let's start a discussion. What would you use it for? Why would you go on the Discord? I vote Slack. Oof. We can use Slack, but like, why? What would you use it for? I'm down with Discord or Slack. I just know some people really hate Slack. Yeah, see, you're lolling. I feel like Discord is Slack on crack. I feel like it is. Yeah, I feel like Discord has more functionality than Slack. Less plugins. Slack has a lot of plugins. That way I can always talk to Joe and Jack. Alright, that's fair. That's fair. You would talk to them. That's cool. Word. Let's see. Shapes and icons. Actually, you know what? Our usual thing is just adding text, so let's just add some text. Our usual anonymous pro, of course, because I'm basic. And let's say, my initials. Get it? Actually, no. Let's make this, like, sexy. Let's make this, like, ooh, who is she kind of text. Let's do this. Murder mystery. Bada bing, bada boom. I'm a logo designer. Discord greater than Slack if you aren't using integrations. I agree. Slack has better dev tools, 100%. Yeah, Slack has way better dev tools, and it connects really nicely with things like, what is it? Things like Zapier and stuff like that. It's beautiful for that. Made a Discord server this weekend, and I found a bunch of cool bots. Yeah, no, they have really, really nice bots. Started drinking way too early. What are we doing here? The real nation. I vibe with it. We are designing a logo right now for a murder mystery app. So let's see how this looks. How does that look? Uploading. That's kind of cute. I like that. Any way that I can make it a little bit bigger? Let's see. Can I increase the size? Font size should be optimum. Honestly, it's not much different. I just wish I could make it a little bit larger. Interesting. There are cool mods for building stuff. Slack is way easier. Yeah. Totally. But yeah, so real magician, that's what she said. I wish I could make it bigger. That's pretty funny. We're building a murder mystery app, and the goal is just like a few pages on a tool called v.One, where we go and like you start with the main page. You select your character, and it gives you a series of prompts that you kind of discuss with everybody around your little table, right? And you slowly discover like, oh my gosh, am I the murderer? Kind of shit like that. So, oh my god, my nose hates me all the time. It was like a year ago at this point when I was just like, I got a cold, and then when the cold stopped, it just kept going. Also, Wade says something. I lean into Slack because I use it for multiple clients, but the what should we use it for is definitely the bigger question. Yeah, totally, Wade, for sure. Like whichever fits the problem more. I don't see it as like a huge problem because it seems, yeah, I know, a ton of free blow nose emotes. Tell me about it. Yeah. Ridiculous. It'd be like that where our nose is huge. So our nose. I'm using the royal we on my nose. Imagine. Let's just leave it like this. Well, let's actually try background image. I'm curious. Where does that go? Let's go back to the elements. Pop a circle on there. Make it red. Give it the text. Boom. Gonna give it the sex appeal. Enlarge. Boom. Boom. And bada bing, bada boom. Love it. Publish. Can I give you nerd points? Fuck, I meant to buy a blow nose. I don't think I have that power. Can I give you points? I'm gonna click on your murder clip art. Nobody click that. Oh wow, that sucks. But yeah, Magician, I sadly can usually suggest people don't open images on the stream ever since we got hit with like a snuff gif, like some really weird stuff. Can people paste? I wonder if you can actually like embed things in the chat, because I thought I remember people could do that. I thought you could like add chat settings. I thought you could add like, no, maybe it's just emotes. Maybe it's just emotes. It's tame. Is it tame? Let me check on my phone. Sadly, I must. Boom. That is a little neat little thing. Q push. I love it. Boop. Let's see how hard you're pranking me. Open. Collection of murder clip arts. Oh, these are cute. These are quite cute. Yeah, we could just use one of these. Murder clip art. This is kind of cute. Hey, I like this. Murder mystery. Ooh, this is kind of fun. Let's save image as. Desktop. Boom. Boom, boom. Background image didn't work. We want this. See if we can add it to here. I wonder if I can resize. Can I resize? No, I can't resize from here. It's just nice and square. Let's put this in here. Murder mystery. Oh, it's a GIF. Interesting. That's terrifying. How about this? Publish. See how that looks. Dang it, too small. Oh well, we do not need. Alright, cool. So we have the login. Let's go back to modules. Let's see if we can make this a thing. In this house we say GIF, not GIF. I'm sorry, I know, GIF is peanut butter. I just say GIF because it's fun. I don't care about your memeitude. It's just fun for me. Welcome to murder. We'll add the audio player a little bit later. A feed, a form. We want to add a button. Let's add a button into here. Boo, boo, boo. And this button is begin. I'm going to link to screen 1, screen 2. Perfect. Exactly what we want. Around the button. Ooh, size does. Oh my god, size does matter. Really? Are you gonna meme on that hard? Button size for a button. Oh, should be once in a row with proper padding. Grab my glasses. Begin. Actually, we're gonna drop this down here. I love just the simple drag and drop. Text. A little bit more text. No background. Going to outline it here. Nice and simple. And then we're gonna add text right there. Boom. In this house is in this house is now an entrepreneur meme. Can you make it purchasable with nerd points? They read out our claps. That's actually not too bad. I like that. I like that a lot. And we'll add that at the end if we have time. Okay, we're only half hour in. Yeah, no. I feel like for some reason I was like, we've been doing this for like 2 hours. I felt like we've been doing it for a long time. Beautiful. Grab my glasses. The font size should be optimum. Anything below 16 XP would be difficult to read. Thank you for letting me know. I appreciate that, v.One. Let's go 18 then. Text fonts. Let's do something a little bit. Ooh, that's hard to read for me. Don't blame me. It's a little bit more fun. Text here. That's kind of nice. A little bit too much though. How about? There's a font called Annie Use Your Telescope. That's so cute. Who names these? Also, the reason Montserrat, like the fonts, was named. I think it was named after an island off of Central America, which is interesting. Odd. Or maybe it was named after. I think there was a European city that's also called Montserrat. I don't know. It's wild. Also, we have 11 people hanging out. What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. Let's add some text. This is a murder party. Select a character and start on page 1 of the game. Everyone read who you are out loud. Everyone read who you are out loud. Boom. The murder mysteries are select character and start on page 1 of the game. Everybody read it loud. Okay, cool. Begin, and this will be select your character. Select your character. Boom. I wonder how big. Yeah, title button. Let's change this to size 18 as well. Select your character. Boom. Nice and simple. Easy. Actually, let's just move this up. Move this up. Fun. Okay. So now we need to make a bunch more screens, right? That's really the next step. World's most popular font. Is Montserrat world's most popular font? That's interesting. Wow, we have 10 people on Twitch. Hello, everybody. There was something funny that happened and I wanted to let everybody know. Oh, I got my laptop. My laptop arrived, my little streaming laptop, and I'm very excited about it. She is beautiful. Oh my god. Ugh. I'm very excited. And then, what else? I got the little lighting panel. I got GoPros. I'm like building this like travel backpack that I'm like unbelievably excited about, and I'm like so close to getting to the point where it's done and it has all the equipment that I want inside it. I'm like, oh my god, I'm so pumped. Very, very excited. Okay, murder party. Maybe I can add more text there later. Yeah, let's duplicate this. Is that what that button does? Yes, it does. Perfect. Move this down a little bit. Cool. So we'll write some more stuff here. More stuff here. Later. Beautiful. Select my character. And this should go to another screen. Link to... What if we only have 5 screens? That would be interesting. Yeah. Because... We have this. This is the main screen. Screen 1. Okay, so we can label it right here. Beautiful. Perfecto. Icon select. Yeah. This will be home. Home. Boom. Cute. Nope, I didn't want to design on Canva, dang it. Boop. Don't hurt me, Canva. I'm just trying to X out. There we go. So now it should be home. Maybe I clicked on the wrong one. Interesting. Icon. Show from all. Icon text. Yeah, icon text. That's fun. This will be home. Beautiful. Let's not do that. Select icon. Put over here. And this is the shop. This is okay. Interesting. This is the wish list. This is the cart. And this is me. But this is search for shop. Okay, interesting. Got it. This, go back to here, is home. Perfect. Custom icon. Aha, there we go. And then we type home. And then we pop this one in there. Beautiful. Okay. So now we have home. Now we need to select your character. I wonder if we have enough screens. Can we make extra screens? I'm assuming we can. Full screen. Hello, Brian Faulkner. How's it going? Good to have you on here. Co-founder texted me she wants to move our company community to Discord. Really? Completely by chance. What a random thing to do. Interesting. So it, like, I always thought the Discord didn't work for anybody that was non-gaming. Time to commit honorable. Time to commit honorable Sudoku. Yeah, no kidding. Isn't it seppuku? Is it Sudoku? Isn't Sudoku the game? That's great. So, actually, I'm curious. Let's quickly take a little brief break. Can I customize Discord branding? Customize Discord logo. Yeah. Okay, cool. Branding guidelines, Discord logos, and branding. You can change it to white, black, or purple. If you get the branding, into the branding video, Discord, download the Discord logo, and okay. Interesting. What do you mean by branding? So it's seppuku, yeah. But Sudoku is very funny. It got me to laugh. What I want to see, because like, look, when I go to Discord, right, Discord app, let's log in or open Discord. Watch. Here's what it does. It's got a gaming. It's got a little, like, the whole thing is based around gaming, right? And I go home. What's up, Mark? These are all my friends. Yay, doing funny stuff. Oh boy. Oh shoot. Alternative content. I like that. I missed it. Dang it. But like, and then direct messages. Fine. I'm gonna go to Paul's thing. No, I guess this is fine. I guess the only thing that's weird. Slack is too buggy. She's not the one who builds our dev pipeline. So this is being terrible. That's funny. Let's go to Zapier. I wonder if Zapier has connections to. Also, I had to rename Slack as in no way buggy. Let's not argue. Let's not argue. Oh, also, I don't know why my chat is on. Because the chat is showing up there. The boom. We have to have some horrible Slack bugs. Interesting. Very interesting. Let's see. Connect this app. It would be. Oh, my computer just started screaming. How's it going? You okay, baby? You okay? Everything okay? Wow, you're having a lot of trouble. It's just the logo. Okay, as long as it's just the logo. And there's some text in between when it's loading. That'll be like gamer oriented, but I think you can change that to like businessy. So let's say Discord. Yeah, Discord. What can I do with it? To Google Sheets. New messages posted to channel. Okay, maybe if I put it over into the other one. Discord. And then discourse. Ha 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 ha. Oh, okay, wow. Add role, send channel message, rename channel. Okay, remove user role. Interesting. Okay, so there's the basics. It has the basics, but I think Slack has a whole lot more. Slack. Yeah, it's got a whole lot more. So find user by ID, send channel message, send direct message, add reminder, find message, find user by name, find user by email. Interesting. So it's not too much more. It's mostly just find a user, do a thing, right? Also, wow, I look like ghostly pale. The heck? What's wrong with my video? I look like I am dead. Yikes. I will die on the Discord is better than Slack Hill. Oh, does Integromat have better Discord triggers? Let's go check it out. Good fucking. I need to get in the habit of checking both of them because they really do have truly different, like functionality. Create a new scenario. Let's see what we got. Discord, and then I also want Google Sheets. Let's do that. Continue. Discord. Ooh, fuck. Yeah, absolutely. Create a webhook, execute a webhook, delete a webhook. Oh, that's so fun. Make an API call. Wow, shit. Okay, yeah, this is crushing it. So, if you want to like futz with stuff here, you gotta use Integromat. Thank you for the fucking point, Emmett. That's beautiful. Let's see. Just logo, extra governor. Had to log into our dev PC in emergency, logged off, logged into our dev account, message community from dev account, it came from her account. Interesting. Great question. The Real Magnician. This is Integromat. Integromat.com. Beautiful fucking tool. I actually honestly might prefer it to Zapier. Just because it's so visual in how you organize shit. Beautiful fucking tool. It lets you tie a bunch of different things together. So now let me create, let's do Discord. Let's say we delete a message. Every time we delete a message, okay. Oh, whatever. Add another module. It's going to go to a Google Sheets and delete a row. Fine, right? And then I can drag this up here. It will also, let's set up a plus. I'm going to actually, how do I do it again? I think I want to add, set up a filter. I can set up filters. I can also set up tools, flow control. I want it to go to multiple things. Routers. Maybe it's a router? I can't remember what it is. There we go. Yes, exactly. So that's the router. I'm going to delete this module, and then I'm going to add plus another Google Sheets thing. So it deletes a row and then adds a row in another area, right? Like, this was deleted, right? And it's just all beautiful and organized and just smooth. Ugh, what a great tool. So that's good to know, though. That's super good to know. Discord can do some shit. That's fun. This is a spicy topic. We are really... oh, yeah, it's beautiful. It's an unbelievable tool. It's like Zapier, but, like, prettier. And like, sometimes with more. Like, as you can see with Discord, has a whole lot more functionality. Or API calls. I believe Integromat is better Discord triggers. Here's the thing with everybody remote. Discord actually makes more sense for so many businesses. I agree completely. Pretzel, that's a crazy Slack bug. This is really a spicy topic. Yeah, I'm like impressed with how viciously people are arguing for Slack versus Discord. But it seems like everybody kind of overall agrees that Discord's a little bit nicer. I don't know. I have no idea. But they've limited themselves like exclusively to video games. The branding is always hilarious to me. They're just in the esports space. I'm sure they'll try to overtake Slack at some point in their lives. Unless the founder is just like, nah. I'm gonna stay in my lane. But then the founder is the investors that have the call over that kind of shit. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, I guess honestly, if it probably works, it's not just video game branded, so that's probably fine. That's pretty cool. That's pretty dang cool. I like it. I like it a whole lot. So I can customize. All right, let's get back to the murder mystery. Back to the game. Let's see. Slideshow, profile. That's kind of fun. Banners would be custom integration. Bookmarks. Ooh, bookmarks are nice. Yeah, bookmarks might be what we need. So let's go over to here. Let's add bookmarks. Interesting. Screen title, element roundness. That's fun. Tile layout. No tiles. Okay, that works. So what does this do? Let's see. Also, this is gonna be murder. Oh, shoot. Nope. Not ready yet. Murder mystery party. Beautiful. Discord is definitely nicer. I just think their dev tooling is way worse, but in terms of niceness, Discord definitely wins. Yeah, no, totally fair. Totally fair. They were not built for dev tools. Absolutely. Okay. Maybe this isn't what we need. Interesting. So what does bookmarks do? Bookmarks. Doesn't seem to be additional things. I wonder. Delete. Let's go instead. Let's just make this. Let's keep this nice and simple. This will be a There's only screen, chat, table, testimonials. Can I not add more screens? That's a shame. This might not be the best tool for this then, because we need a ton of screens. Very interesting. It would be relatively simple. So we select our character. Let's go to this little button here. This would link to screen 2, right? Screen 2, they click the button, it goes to screen 2. On screen 2, I'm making a murder mystery. Big downside to Discord though, no native Linux support for the live streaming. That's a big frowny face. Interesting. So you can't live stream from Linux. I bet somebody built some app on top of Discord that helps that. If that's a big glaring problem, but yeah, that is lame that it doesn't have native. Also, I wonder, because Discord has the group calls thing, right? It would be interesting if in the future I did my private. He's making a Discord server. He's making a Discord server with the murder history app in the background. Yeah, essentially. Just as they're making a murder mystery app, are you doing the murder in the app helps you plan the mystery part, or is it just outline the steps needed for the murder to line up with the mystery? Good question. Interesting. An app that helps somebody murder. Not exactly in the suspicious letter didn't answer my question. An app. So, in my perspective, an app that helps people murder might not be the most entrepreneurial thing, because entrepreneurship is designed to help people. And while in that scenario, you are helping murderers, I feel like it's a departure. Someone makes an app and people die. Yeah, exactly. Sounds like my life. Wow. But in that scenario, you're helping some people but hurting other people. So I feel like that's not in the spirit of entrepreneurship. I feel like, unfortunately, it probably already exists. It's probably true, yeah. There was this. I watched this really lame movie on a plane once. A really bad movie. It's hilarious. It was very dramatic. And I was into it in the time, but looking back, garbage. Thank you, Joe. But what was it? There was an app. It was about this app, right? It was about this app that everybody could get on. Everybody could spectate all these crazy things going on. It was essentially like TikTok, but for daredevils, right? So you get on there. My wife watches nothing but Lifetime movies and feeling unprepared for anything in life, baby stealing, etc. That's funny. That's really funny. Baby stealing. But I feel like all you would have to do is make that kind of similar app. It's just like TikTok or Instagram, but for daredevils, right? And you would have to spend a ton of money, but you would just put insane monetary rewards on super crazy daredevil stunts, right? Then you show how to get away with murder, so it's totally fine. Yeah, that's fair. Yeah, so it wouldn't be an educational or informational or helping you do anything app. It would just be an app that Perry S&P microserver APM ECNet. Ooh, interesting. I might be there. But you would just have to put monetary rewards on crazy stunts on this app, and then people would probably end up dying, to be totally honest. So, yeah. Yeah. Can't lie to you. You could totally make an app that kills people, unfortunately, if you incentivize dangerous activities with the app. Maybe it wouldn't get launched in the App Store then, though. But then you don't have to. Ugh. I don't know why I'm discussing this in my head. I don't know why I'm thinking about this. What is up, Pretzel? I would love to join. I think I have time tonight. I'm not sure what my schedule looks like, actually. I love how distracted. I know, tell me about it. Jesus Christ. Let's build the dang frickin' thing. Gotta engage the audience. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna add a couple of buttons, and I'm gonna show you how this would generally work. So, Boom. Make that button nice. I'm gonna then. I am really distractible. It's ridiculous. It is a weak point for sure. It is a weakness. Boom. Boom. Duplicate. Duplicate. Down here. Up here. Okay, beautiful. Actually, I guess it doesn't let me full screen it. So let's do this instead. Let's delete. Delete. Button needs to be font style at least 16. And we'll go 18 like we were doing before. Boom. Duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. And there will say, let's say, be 3 or 4 different people you can be, right? So something like this. Boom. Cute. And then this button will say, oh, actually we only have 3 extra pages, so let's delete that. And this button will say, go to, you can be Ted, you can be, Scarlet. I feel like Scarlet is such a murder mystery name. Scarlet, and then, what else is a nice murder mystery name? Help me out, help me out, help me out. I joined and suddenly everything's off the rails. Absolutely. Gotta engage his audience. We are his customers. Just imagine when car hacking becomes a bigger thing. Car hacking, yeah. Mr. Mustard, I love that. Mr. Mustard. That's beautiful. What a great idea. Ooh, Norman. Let's get rid of Ted and let's do Norman. Oh, Colonel, of course. Colonel Mustard. Is that how you spell it? Colonel? Norman, Scarlet, and Colonel Mustard. What if you spoofed names from the game Clue? Ooh, that's a nice idea too. I like that. So let's pretend instead that we have a little bit more pages. I'm sure they're gonna add extra page functionality and stuff like that. So let's go copy, copy, copy. Let's say there's 6 characters because we probably need around 6 for a good murder mystery party. Come on, duplicate it. Crimson Rose. Ooh, I like that. I like that a lot. Crimson Rose is a little bit, it's almost like too dramatic. I feel like we should keep it at least slightly basic. Crimson Dreams. I like the spoofing names from the game Clue. I like that idea, Wade. Clue characters. What do we got? Oh, 9 names for the whole thing. Ooh, Elaine. Elaine's not bad. Miss Scarlet. Ha! No way. I like, that's really funny. And then Colonel Mustard. So you got it from there. Beautiful, beautiful. Miss Peacock, Professor Plum. Oh, I like that. Yeah. Let's do this. This is a great idea. So let's spoof this. So instead of Miss Scarlet, we already have Scarlet. Let's do Miss. Different names for red. Different names for red colors. Red, cherry, rose, jam, merlot. Garnet Crimson. I like Miss Crimson. Miss Crimson. Beautiful. Miss Crimson. We have Colonel Mustard, but we can't do Colonel Mustard, so we'll do Sergeants. So SGT. Sergeants. Ketchup. This is funny. Leave just like 3 mustards. Yeah, exactly. Elaine isn't bad. I like that. Mrs. Peacock. So that can be. That'll be. I like Norman. Let's do Mr. What's another flightless bird? Mr. What is it? Ostrich. Mr. Ostrich. This is funny. Yvette, Mr. Bonnie, Mr. Green, Wadsworth, the singing telegram girl. Kiwi's better. Kiwi's much better. Mr. Kiwi. Mr. Kiwi. You got Norman, Mr. Kiwi, Sergeant Ketchup, and Miss Crimson. Mayor Mayonnaise. Now that one I like. Mayonnaise. I couldn't spell mayonnaise without looking at your suggestions, so there you go. Mayor Mayonnaise. And then let's see. What else do we have? Mrs. White, the cook, the cop, cop 3, cop 2, cop 1. That's funny. Clue board game. Oh, Professor Plum. Kiwis are delicious. Not the birds, but the fruit. Professor Plum. What's another? Oh, Professor. It'll be, faculty member. No. What's another word for professor? What's another word for professor? So instead of Professor Plum, it can be like something. I've not seen Hamilton, but you told me you loved it. Oh, Professor. Maybe like faculty. Professor Plumbus. I like that. Master Chief. Oh my God. Teacher, doctor. Yeah, good point. Maybe Dean. And instead of Plum, I like Plumbus. Dean Plumbus. That's pretty good. Master Chief, really? I feel like that's too much of a meme. Plumbus. Dean Plumbus. And then maybe Norman can be, in parentheses, Master Chief. I'm begging you. Alright, how about this? Norman is Master Chief. I like my message, Master Chief. Oh my God. Well, Rick and Morty fans will love you. Why? Oh, Plumbus. Yeah, that's a good point. I forgot. Plumbus is a thing there. What is the thing? It was like, it was a TV commercial. Excuse me, his name is John 117. Is it? Is Master Chief's name John 117? I was not aware. It is my favorite. 69 John, 69. Oh my God. Actually, okay, in that case, let's name him John Norman 117. So only deep Master Chief fans will get it. Are we good with that? Does that sound good? Select your character. Select your character. Text. Give me the text. Give me that text. Your character. Select your character. Change font style. This will be 18. Beautiful. And then each of these will just lead to new things, right? They'll lead to new pages with different modules, right? So let's do an example module. So, John, let's go Miss Crimson. Miss Crimson will link to screen 3, right? And this will be the little thing. Joe, I actually paid for a cameo for the guy who voices Master Chief for one of my friends. That's so cool. What a cool fucking cameo thing. Yo, Cameo is a brilliant fucking business model. Like, I love that concept. It's like the simplest damn app, too. There's nothing fancy about it. Nothing at all. I've been wanting to get one of it. That's so fucking cool. Yeah. Lots of kids taking my Dr. Holiday turn to Spartan 2 was number 117. This call sign is Sierra 117 too. Wow, this compromise is not better. John Norman 117. Oh man, fine, it'll be Master Chief. I like Norman though. Norman seems like such a murder mystery party. So now we got Master Chief, Miss Crimson, Sergeant Ketchup, Mr. Kiwi, Mayor Mayonnaise. Let's do Norman here, because we already have a condiment. Norman, and then Dean Plumbus. The I believe you entirely. I believe you could talk about Halo lore for hours. You certainly love it. Do you guys know what Plumbus is? It's from Rick and Morty, like Wade said. It's like a commercial that they're watching. It's like, this is the Plumbus, and what you do with the Plumbus is Dean Plumbus is actually a top tier name too. No, Dean Plumbus is quite nice. And the whole commercial, they're like stumbling through their words and being like, this is how you make a Plumbus, and like first you remove the phlegm from, like, it's just all made up bullshit. It's so funny. I just got my friends who's super liberal. A cameo from Roger Stone saying he's the biggest Mega fanboy. Oh no! Wow, that's fucking funny. What a savage frickin' move. That's good. I've only paid for one cameo, but I paid for one cameo. If you remember the first episode of Entrepreneur, for anybody that was there, if we go to Game Grumps, I love these guys. I listen to them every single day for like just hours. They're just my relaxation thing. They're not the funniest people in the world, but I really, really like their stuff. It's just a very kind of cheesy, like Let's Play channel. It's literally just one of the more popular Let's Play channels, and I just like the dynamic that Aaron right here and Dan have with each other. I just enjoy it. And so I listen to all their episodes. I've seen just about every single one. And they're fun. They're nice. But I love Aaron. Aaron started the company, and he started like 3 other companies, and he has no formal education. He dropped out of high school. He doesn't give a flying heck. And normally I don't support dropping out, but he's just an artist that ended up using artistic skill and like just general creativity to build cool businesses that doing things that he likes doing, like shows or making video games. Like, it's all just stuff that he loves, and I really, really like him, and I think he's really, really cool. And he's kind of a dweeb, and he's kind of a dick sometimes, like just like everybody else. But like, I just like it, and I paid $10 for a message, a cameo message to message him and say, hey, if you ever need me to build you a startup, you should hit me up. Of course, nothing's gonna happen there, but it was fun to do. And he responded. He was like, thank you for the offer. That's the only time I've ever used Cameo, but Cameo is a brilliant idea. All right, I'll blow my nose. Ooh, that was a good one. I needed that. Thank you. Cameo is close to our Techstars batch, but I never really got time with them. Oh, shoot, really? That's really cool. It was a Techstars company. Interesting. I didn't know that. That's fucking cool. But no, yeah. Brilliant business model. Bits for my Lord and Savior Master Chief. Oh my god. The intensity. Okay. So look, this would be one of the things. So let's go with Master Chief just for the fucking meme, because that's what we're hardcore. No, let's go Plumbus. I like Plumbus. Plumbus will link to screen 3, right? And then let's go and over to screen 3. Make sure the logo is nice. It's your Minecraft skin. That's a good point. You're only a real fan if it's your Minecraft skin. And this is Plumbus. Plumbus. Icon text. Plumbus. Icon. There's probably not a Plumbus icon. So Dean. Maybe like this. There we go. Now he looks professional. Cool. And then we're just gonna add a whole bunch of text here. We're just gonna add straight up a whole bunch of text. He was for a while, but now they're both custom ones I made for myself. Ooh, that's so cool. You can make custom ones. For the longest time, and I think I still am on the Java version. Use my Fortnite skin though. On the Java version of Minecraft, I was Enzo. I was Enzo from or was it Ezio? No, it's not Ezio. I'm thinking of Etsy. It's Enzo. It had to happen. They put Master Chief in Fortnite. I had to spend $20 on it. It had to happen. I support you. I support you entirely. I will not shit on you. But I used to be Enzo from Assassin's Creed. Yeah, I loved that game when I was young. I loved Assassin's Creed, which, yeah. So I don't play Fortnite, but I spent $20 on Plank. There you go. Well, maybe he does play Fortnite. Who knows? Heard that story before. That's funny. Okay, and then here, literally this will just be text bits. So the first bit will be nice black spooky background, and then can I change font style? Yes, I can change the text color to white. Beautiful. Let's change the font style to 20. Beautiful. Let's change it to smaller actually. Let's make it 16. Beautiful. And then in here I'm just going to write, yes, SEO Auditore, or is it Autore? Frick. SEO name. Name meaning Assassins, yeah. Assassin's Creed. SEO name. Assassin's Creed. Ezio Auditore, yeah, or not Auditore, it was I can't remember how to pronounce it. The Italian master assassin is served as protagonist of the game series during the Italian Renaissance. God damn. What a cool fucking, love that. Love this. Ezio Auditore, I think. Yep, Pretzel's right. You missed the D, but whatever. Stop bragging, Joe. You missed the D. It's Ezio, yeah. Auditore. Okay, thank you. Man, what a cool guy pronouncing all these things. I loved Assassin's Creed. Loved. Too much. Yeah. A wonderful game. A wonderful game. All the nerds showing up today. Yeah, it's truly. This is a true nerd session. Absolutely. But anyway, the app that I would build, let's just finish this up so we feel good, and then we're going to talk about future streams. We'll have a bunch of fun there. Ooh. Yeah, I love Assassin's Creed. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with it. It's so much fun. I was walking downtown in this house. That's my favorite meme. That's one of my favorite memes. Just the between words. In this house, nerds show up every day. So funny. So fucking funny. Oh my god. I'm not even sure that's how they're supposed to be read. I have no concept of how they're supposed to be read. This is how I read them. Welcome. Your name is, what was this? Dean Plumbus. You made your living manufacturing plumbuses for the world to enjoy. Oh, really? Is Plumbus spelled wrong? Please. +1 for Hamilton too. Plumbuses for the world to enjoy. You've since relaxed. It's a new meme now? Oh, it's a new meme then. What do you mean? In this house we why are we revolting? You've since relaxed, and you've since semi-retired, and you now lead a small business school out in the middle of Kansas. A small business school out in the middle of Kansas. I should capitalize Kansas. Boop. Your name is Dean Plumbus. This is freaking funny. Boom, beautiful. Let's duplicate that. In this house we viva la revolution. I get it, I understand now. I gotcha, okay. It's okay, Joe, I got the joke. Saying this house we viva la revolution. Thank you, Pretzel, your support means the world. Wholesome. Look at this, making friends. You've since semi-retired. Beautiful. Name is Dean Plumbus. This will be Kansas is a real place for you. I literally can't convince you otherwise. I'm unable to. Straight up. It's impossible. There's no proof that it exists. Name is Dean Plumbus. You made, okay, cool. Oh my gosh, thank you, Pretzel. A whole $1. Jesus. Just flexing how much cash you have. Oh, also, I caught up with one of the innovation scholars in my year yesterday, and she's in Y Combinator now. She started a company 6 months ago, and she's now in Y Combinator and has $1 million committed. Unbelievable. The innovation scholars are overpowered. Ridiculous. Like, what am I even doing with my life? JK. I would hate running a startup. Right now, anyway. I guess entrepreneur is a startup, but it's more of a lifestyle startup. Never anyone who's been to Kansas and convinced it's not real. I actually am an advisor, a board advisor on a school, business school out in Kansas. The company, what is the company? Let me pull it up. Company is Fractional, fractional.app. Innovation Scholars, actually. Yeah, no, Innovation Scholars are, like, crushing it right now. Like, unbelievably so. They are, like, legendary. The Innovation Scholars is a great program. Taught us exactly what we needed to know. And, like, this entrepreneur stuff was mostly just like, this is really fun and I really enjoy this and I get to build, like, an amazing network, right? But then the second I started, like, being able to get paid for stuff, and I was like, this might be able to be a real business, I was like, this is it. This is all we're doing. So, next time I'm moving to the UK, so it's fine. Somewhere in Europe, man. Somewhere fucking in Europe, we are moving. I can't. I give up. The school probably isn't real, you're right. That's why I got an advisor position there. Yeah, shame. You spend your time, your free time. Should we make Dean Plumbus like a super creep? Or should we make him like a good guy who just got mixed up with the wrong crowd? What should be his backstory? You spend your free time reading murder mystery novels. And +1 for Europe. Yeah, tell me about it. Fuck it all. Europe or New Zealand. New Zealand. New Zealand would be like primo, ideal. Have you seen all of Hamilton yet, Joe? Do you really like it that much? Everybody that I have ever known that watches Hamilton is now obsessed with Hamilton. I mean, like, what is he doing? He's doing the freak out. Wow, it's a little animation. It's a little creepy. Spend your time reading murder mystery novels and hoping something crazy would happen in your life, in your now dull life. And something just did. Something just did. Bum bum bum. Something like that, right? And then as we like scroll down, horizontal container, slide left to right. As we scroll down, I've only seen the first half and I'm obsessed with it. Where's Old Zealand though? Oh, good point. Where is Old Zealand? Yeah. Where's Zealand? Where the fuck is Zealand? And where's York? As a matter of fucking fact. And where's England? These are their answers to all these questions that I just don't know. I don't even like musicals, Max, but it's so good. I don't like musicals at all, but I've heard the Jewish fraternity at my college at CMU, I was friends with a good number of them, a few of them, like 3 or 4. And all of them were like regularly obsessed with musicals. And I think it was just like a little thing among that like thing. They'd all just watch musicals together, and they all loved Hamilton, of course. It's just one of the like most popular musicals. But I don't know. They're all really cool kids, but I think it was just York is in the UK. I believe York is in the UK because it was York, and then they moved over, and they were like, ha ha ha, uncreativity, New York, fucking. Where's England? How about England? Well, oh. The fuck is my problem? Where's England, as a matter of fact? Yeah, where New England? Ha! Where's England? Yeah, I wonder why. I wonder why I do this and I didn't study history. Sad. Alright, cool. So you spend your free time writing Mr. Ronalds and having a... boom. Right? And then I guess this scrolls. Interesting. So this scrolls, so I can move this around. That's nice. Okay. So maybe I drag this into here, and then can I just scroll? I could do this. Interesting, but that doesn't connect. So I wonder how I. Very interesting. I'll have to futz with this a little bit more. Very interesting. Okay, yeah. So there's clearly some stuff that I need to experiment with. But this is super cool. But that's all. Literally, that's all I would do. I would just like continue this screen down. We really didn't make much progress on this today, but that's fine. This is more just kind of a test of what goes on. Jeremy Redmond, Keith, I love what you're doing. Keith Missile Tovar better help out. Aha! Thank you, Jeremy. What's up? You know, for you guys, shoot me some messages or drop some comments. I would love to add new screens if that's possible. So add new tabs, and then increase the scroll size. So I want to be able to scroll up and down. Hopefully, if that's possible. Just extra screens would be perfect. But if I know how to create an extra screen, I should be totally good, because I can just make infinite screens and add all the context there. But yeah, so this will be Dean Plumbus, right? So let's go and publish this to, boom, published. Might take 10, 15 minutes, or 15 to 20 minutes, so cool, yeah. Once we're done, this should, let me copy this, Murder Mystery Party. Keeps leaving. Let's publish this in here. Boom. Oop. I think I have to connect all those together. Murder Mystery Party. I'm assuming you'll be there. Infinite screens. A focal point in the opening half is, I see why you like it so much then. If there's revolution immediately, I feel like that's your style. Hey, some people just gotta revolt. It just be like that. So yeah, boom. So it'll come back. It'll come soon. But thank you, Jeremy. Thank you, Jeremy, for hopping on. Jeremy's the founder of v.One, so appreciate him jumping on and giving me a little bit of a boost. But fucking cool, awesome, sweetness. And maybe if this doesn't like kind of work this way, then I would just go into the Webflow integration. Because I have access to that. They gave me a nice big account. Most of the revolutions of the past, the IKEA instructions for my guillotines are too confusing. Aha, of course, yes. Yeah, IKEA does sell pretty subpar guillotines from what I've seen. But like, they're so cheap, like, how can you not? You know what I mean? Alright, cool, sweet. So we've built the structure of a murder mystery app, and they would just go through the screens, you select your character, everybody selects one, and you just kind of move along. I hate when that happens. Ugh, so frustrating. And then let's go, these are the future streams that I want to do. So, literally, wow, Notion is having some trouble. Maybe my computer is just going insane. My computer is hot. Ooh, ouchie. I'm really hoping my little baby computer boy can, I do have like an insane amount of Chrome tabs open all the time though. All with like heavy stuff. So, probably my own damn fault. Come on, I believe in you, Notion. Never done me dirty before. Stupid aluminum blade. I need to go buy the steel ones from Lowe's. Aluminum will work. You just need to put some lead on the top so it has that extra weight. Because otherwise you just can't really make it happen. You gotta sharpen it regularly. I'm right there with you. I got the same problems as you. We're not too different, you and I. We're not too different, you and I. Let's build Max a desktop. Would love that. Would love it if we built me a laptop because I bought my. Oh, actually, I can go grab my little laptop. Hold on. Don't revolt. Give me 2 seconds. Ha! Emmett! How dare you? I trusted you. God, Joe. Ugh. I can't believe this. Stop it. I deliberately dropped the amount that it takes to revolt because I feel like that's the most popular meme and I want people to be able to do that the most. I see now I've enabled something terrible. Stream is behind since watching on my phone. I don't know, you nailed that pretty hard. That was timed pretty well, even with like a 1 or 2 second delay. But this is my beautiful little Asus laptop. Asus, sponsor me. She's so small and cute, right? Like I'm used to like the beefiest motherfucking laptop you've ever seen. She's relatively small, relatively neat. The reason that she's so fun is because, and yes, just she, don't question it, is because she has 2 screens. This right here is a second screen. Like it's a tap screen. Like it's a touch screen and there's a what is it? There's a draw thingy. Fuck am I fucking talking about? Pretzel, you're behind. You're slow, Pretzel. This is like a touch screen and tap screen. You can have like a second screen, so I can put the restream chat down there, and I can put the Twitch chat down there, so I can move scenes and everything while I'm actually streaming on the main laptop, right? So it like works, and I'll have to bring an extra screen with me, and I can just stream from everywhere, because usually I need 2 extra screens. And also, if I have to like move something off screen and do it really quickly, right, like pay for something or like input some information, some delicate information, like a password that like always shows or something like that, then I can just move it over to the bottom screen and do it there, and then move it back up, and you guys will only see the main screen. Like, it's all right there in front of me on this beautiful little system. And the trackpad is way over the fuck here, which is a little bit weird. But like, whatever. You pick your battles. But like, I love her. She's so cute. She was $1,500. She was a lot. She was a lot of money. But I really, really like her. I think she's super cool. I'm excited. So this is the mobile streaming program. Ooh, yike. And there's some stuff that I gotta futz with in terms of settings, because it won't capture the screen on this one when I'm using Streamlabs. So maybe I'll use a different streaming software. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But something's gotta work. I'm really excited. Little stream girl. I love her. She fits right in my backpack. How much RAM? I think it's what is it? Let me check. Oh, also, we're right here. I'm gonna scroll down in a second. Asus. This is the one that I got. How much RAM? I got the 1 terabyte of RAM, I think. $1,500 tax, fucking true, yeah, literally tax deductible, absolutely. 1 terabyte RAM, I think it's 1 terabyte RAM, right? Isn't it? 1 terabyte this? Or is it, I don't know how computers work. Oh, not possible this time? Okay, maybe 16, is it 16 gigabytes RAM then? Okay, yeah, cool, 1 terabyte storage, yeah. 1 terabyte RAM. No, 16 gigabyte, or 16 gigabyte RAM. So, hope that's good. I hope that's good. Saw Google ad for a downloadable RAM the other day, so it's like, so he's up to like 128 gigabytes now. Oof. I don't know what these words mean. I don't understand computers. I'm not a nerd like you guys. Ha! Got him. Anyway. Nobody say anything. Block music content for students. Next time my computers make sure I don't pull my teeth in my... Yeah, no, absolutely. I'm fucking garbage. I am truly fucking garbage at this. Infinite power computer. You're all roasting me. Stop it. You're all cooler than me. Don't leave me alone. I made a mistake. So anyway, beautiful little system. I absolutely love it. Hopefully, if everything goes okay, I can stream with this sucker. And so probably on the next stream on this weekend. Well, no, I like to game on this one. Because I have multiple screens and it's nice and big. But RAM doesn't make your computer faster. Would allow you to have like 8 Chrome tabs open. Anyway, regardless, it looked like it was pretty solid, and it should be able to stream. it should be able to live stream. It fits by far the minimum requirements. I'm just worried about whether the settings will work. So I gotta still test it out before I lets me render in Premiere faster. That's what I care about. Yeah, it's true. But anyway, yeah. So this is gonna be when I'm traveling. This is gonna be the streaming laptop. This will be the system. You can do a lot more at once, yes. So you can multitask. Cool. Good to know. Pretzel really loves the RAM doesn't make your community. So yeah, very, very happy. $1,500. My largest adult purchase besides a $2,200 trip to Korea. That was fun. That was like 2 years ago. It was 2 years ago. Man, kill me. Fucking kill me. Am I gonna buy MacBook Pro M1? Play more cool math games at once. I hate Mac. That's why. I like my Apple iPhone, but I can't deal with a fucking Mac. I'm Windows fucking spoiled. I just love Windows. I wish I could tip you for that message. The cool math games. It's a good meme. So yeah, that's this. Very excited. Gotta still futz. Gotta figure it out. Very excited about it. And then let's see what we're doing for... Also, let me make sure that I'm not missing anything. Yeah, I have a client call in like half an hour. So that'll be cool. I'm gonna try to stream probably from the next... Max does not equal Mac. True. I'm probably gonna try to stream with it for next week. So whatever we're doing next week, I'm gonna try to do it from here just so I can test it, right? Because like we were able to stream with this laptop, this big beefy laptop. It's a gaming laptop. We were able to stream from here with, what was it? We were able to stream from here with my phone hotspot, which is insane. So if I get like an international plan, I should be able to just theoretically travel everywhere and just use this little sucker. Oh. Excuse me. So, yeah, should be a whole lot of fun. But we'll probably try streaming with it for next week just to see if it works. What's your typical stream schedule days/times? A great question. Here you go, Wade. Entrepreneur.blog. And it should say it right here. Join the experiments. Let me pop this into chat right there. Should be on my little homepage. Every Wednesday from noon to 1:30. Eastern time, and then every Saturday from 6:30 to 8. What's Starlink it? How do you do that? Explain, Pretzel. You know all these fancy tech things. So yeah, I do that twice a week, and hopefully I'll be doing that same exact schedule, Eastern time, same thing. I might start streaming more on Wednesdays, so maybe we do like 2 hours stream. I don't know. I want to stream more. But I don't know when. Starlink is a car thing? I'm confused. I'm even more confused. But we could have called the character Mr. Chief. Oh, that's better. Starlink is an everywhere thing? What do I do? Tell me how to do this. Max do a GPT-3 stream. I don't know, AI, what am I going to use AI for? AI is useless. Meanwhile, I ask my fucking Google Home to do everything for me, so whatever. But yeah, that's when I stream. Wade, thank you for asking. But I want to stream more. So I would put a string through all my Starbursts so I can eat them faster. So you like you make like a candy necklace out of Starburst, and you just like pop, like eat them all. It's very enjoyable to keep wondering where I work today. Hopping back over to Engage and Lunch Progress is a lot of fun. I'll hang out again. Freaking fucking cool, Wade. Thank you so much. Yeah, it seems like that's the biggest vibe. Like I build something in the background and it's a nice like just kind of thing that hangs out in the background. Also, we have lo-fi going, so that's always really nice. But I'm really glad you enjoyed it, Wade. Really fucking glad you enjoyed it. Thank you for hopping on. I hope to see you in future streams. This was enjoyable as heck. Appreciate. I'll see you soon. Yes, GPT-3 is AI easy mode. AI is useless. Screen my echo dot to shut up because its activate word was my ex-girlfriend's name, so it always get gone. Why? Oh. Okay, there's so much to unpack there, Joe. So first of all, why would it always... I'm confused. Also, do I hear myself in the background? Oh, do I? I do, because my fucking Twitch is going down here in the back. Jesus Christ. My God, it's a solid meme, Joe. I'm just very confused with what the heck is going on. Anyway, cool. We built an app. This is what I wanted to say. My God, I'm distracted. So, and then the rest of this is literally just gonna be catch up. So for the next while, oh yeah, Alexa, got it. Yeah. Oh no, Amazon Echo, my Echo Dot. Is that Amazon? Isn't that? I guess it's Alexa. Yeah. I didn't know you guys broke up. I was unaware of this. My God, we need to catch up. I was exceptionally unaware. You're going to yell, and I'm yelling. Just shut up. That's funny. Okay, so one of the next things that I wanted to try is like a service to publicize your company building. You're like, there was this interesting thing. Let's check this out. We're going over schedule. Community launch. I saw this in a newsletter. I don't know if you could read this. It says, my background is actually in community building. I love bringing people together, blah, 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 blah. So we're dropping this access to, and I think I figured out a way to start building the optimization community. Optimization is the company. We have like 2 more. Yeah, exactly. So we're dropping this access to an exclusive group of supporters. Members of this company, they're building a company, get the opportunity to shadow every meeting, see every Notion page at Optimization, the company again, have conversations with the team, ask questions and learn how to build a business at your own pace. Plus bonuses like private upgraded Slack channel, integrated blah, blah, blah. All these different things, right? Like, there's a whole thing. I'm sorry that happened, man. I hope everything's okay. But tell me about it later. I would love to hear. Bits for overscheduled. So they literally made, and like, look, I can subscribe. $99 a month, right? $99 a month for a community. And I don't know if this fucking worked. I have no idea, but I would love to email them and see if it did. But they are publicizing the process of building their company, and they're using that as a product, right? Like, you get access to all of their internal documents, most of the internal stuff. You shadow their meetings, you have conversations with the team, you learn what they're doing and how they're doing it and all this different kind of stuff. Like, the company is now how it now has a community, right? Like, the company is its own, like, hopefully at some point, like, its own influencer, right? And there's a private community that you can join to support, right? I think it's a great idea. Yeah, like, how can I build this? Sounds like job shadowing a founder. Exactly, yeah. So, like, you learn everything that's going on internally, and whether or not it fails, you still learn a ton, but you can, like, make cash flow. Yeah, exactly. You pay $300 monthly for some communities. Deal flow makes sense. Yeah, so that makes a whole bunch of sense. But like, you can make your company, in the process of building your company, a cash flow, right? Like, you could support yourself while you're building the company, theoretically, if you're an entertaining group enough. And you all have large enough social followings. Exactly, yeah, I really fucking love this idea. I read this, I never read newsletters. I was like, oh, what's this? And I looked at it and I was like, fuck. Would you pilot this? That would be fucking cool. Yeah, I would love to do that. That would be great. What I would like a little bit of like brain help on is how can I make this a product or service, right? Because this is a great thing, right? How can I make this a product or service? Because all it would literally be is just like a dashboard. It would be a dashboard with access to, like, maybe it would just be like a Notion board with plugins. It would be a Notion board with a couple of plugins, so maybe you could chat, right? There would be a chat functionality added to a Notion board. Or maybe you would publish your internal Notion board on a site like Super, or on a site like Fruition. So people couldn't like edit it, but they could watch what was going on and they could view what was going on, and you could add like a chat functionality, because I think that is available in Super. Yeah. But then it's just Super. So how am I making that a product? Just make it easy for you? Cool. Yeah, exactly. That's what I thought. So I give you all the pre-plug-in things, and I give you the process. Ooh, what if I do the actual content? Now there's a fucking idea. Yeah, because I want to make it as easy as possible. But the tools that I would probably use would be super.so, right? From Notion to website in minutes. Ooh, they upgraded this. This is cute. Custom domains, powerful integrations, lightning fast. Powerful. Ooh, wait. Wait, they updated their integrations. Fucking show me. Fucking show me. No. Where the fuck are the integrations? If they have Gumroad? You can put Gumroad on fucking Notion? Peace out, Emmett. Thank you so much for hanging out. I'll see you soon. Thank you for all the advice and the help here. It's always good seeing you here. Thank you for the nerd memes. Like Max Entrepreneur Shadows companies. Oh, so I make this like a content series. So a company would pay me. No, but this is new companies. Maybe. Entrepreneur Shadows companies. More integration. By Emmett. There's some ideas here. Yeah, Google Analytics. Can I put Circle? Ooh, fuck. So maybe this is all I fucking need. Guides? Yo, I need to email fucking Super. I would love to be sponsored by Super. Oh my god, I love Super. Optimizing your Super site performance, how to change colors on your Super site, great. Build a membership site. I can use member space on Super? Oh, fuck, dude. They recently upgraded this. Why would I ever use anything ever again? Stylized buttons? They didn't have buttons before. Oh my god. I'm gonna die. This is so good. Companies pay Max to build stuff for them on stream. They get promotion. Oh my god, dude, this is like, holy shit. What's the pricing? Aha! Here we go. They upgraded the pricing, so now they're getting all nice. Unlimited pages / site. So Super is just you can build sites on Notion. So my Notion board here, all of this stuff could be. So here I built this on Super. What was it? What the fuck was it? Oh, it was better follow-up.email. That's what it was. We built this on one of the streams. This was built on Super. It is a Christmas fucking miracle, Jackhammer. Thank you. Also, wow, we got some blur over here because I don't have my light on. This is just like Notion is about to cannibalize this company. Straight up, absolutely, yeah. Are you kidding me? They're gonna eat the fuck out of it. Like I built this little simple tool where you can go to submit. You can submit some ideas. You can just pop it into a little form on Chili Pepper, which is a Notion integration, an external Notion integration. All ideas right here. So yeah, no. The reason that I loved Super initially so much before was that they literally have the pricing was insanely cheap, but now they're starting to upgrade it. Now they're starting to upgrade it a lot. I like that. I support it. Like given the fucking integrations that they have, like holy shit. I would have a guillotine if I could figure out these damn instructions. I love it. Market, gradient covers for Notion, beautiful. Yeah, they even have a market. Man, dude. Card. Oh, dude. Fuck. No, it is expensive. $12 per month for a website is expensive. But given dude, fucking, I'm gonna email the fuck out of Super. I'm gonna put this on my to-do list. Email the fuck out of Super is happening today. Email Super. I would die if I could get sponsored by Super. Email super.so founder. To see if you can work together, because this is exactly my shit. Like I love Notion. I'm obsessed with Notion. So all you would do here, where are the integrations list? What's the integrations list? Let's go back to Super. Does it give me powering Notion with third-party tools has never been easier? Great. We have Typeform. That's beautiful. Typeform already went into Notion. Fine. Member Stack. That's really nice. Gumroad. Fucking hot. Circle. That's the community. Wait, what? Isn't $12 per month less than every other website builder? It's not less than Card. It was literally on par with Card before, but now that they upgraded things to an exceptionally high level, then now they upgraded the pricing. But yes, it is lower than most other website builders. It's better than Webflow or anything like that. So honestly, if I'm going to build something, I'm probably going to build this unless I need something really advanced like something like Webflow. We're all just insanely cheap here. That's the moral of the story. Also, the whole time I've been doing this, I've been holding my little laptop in my lap because I love her. She's great. She makes me happy. She came in like the sexiest box you've ever seen in your life. It was, oh my god. $12 per site is much more expensive, but also anything is too expensive for you. Yeah, it's true. It's absolutely true. So what you would like, if you want to use, is fruitionsite.com. This is a free version. This is literally just like, it makes your website, it makes your Notion into a website that people can't edit, and they can just kind of work through. I built, customerdiscovery.info on here. This is built on Fruition. Learn HTML, you can launch sites for free. Yeah, you're right, but fuck you. So, I mean, whatever. So Jackhammer and I were bold. So this was built on Fruition, right? And then this was built on Super. I think it's fascinating. I think both of them are really awesome. But with Super, the main thing was, showcase, updates, wish lists, Super app, Super homepage, at Super. WordPress is free too, just saying. Yeah, you're right. So Webflow is also free to start. It just gives you lame URLs. Co-founder of Super. Where's the integrations list? Super newsletter, what did you guys use? Guide to build a site like Super. Custom domains. Great email newsletter with Notion plus Super. Customized font for specific pages, not all pages. Support image. External CSS references. Analytics snippets for different pages. Display Notion properties. Wish list. What's on the wish list? What do people got? I don't want to show the Untitled. Twitter share button feature wanted. Ooh, very basic traffic analytics. Proper Notion emojis. Ooh, the roadmap. They have a roadmap. That's fun. Structure font, calendar pages. Password protect single pages. That would be fucking hot. Yes, absolutely. And they use Circle. That's so cute. What the heck is that? I can't see that emoji. Whatever that is. WordPress would be gay, but I never learned the fact to read. And so the fact that the word word is in the title doesn't inspire much hope for me. Totally fair. Totally entire fair. Yeah, if you can't read, you would have some trouble. So where is the total integrations list? Because that's what I want. Membership site, optimizing your super site performance, how to add pretty URLs to your site. Yep. I really like this because look at this. All ideas. It goes better follow up an email /submitted. Oh, you can't see the URL because I blocked it with Entrepreneur. Anyway, I love Super. I'm gonna email the fuck out of Super because I love what they're doing. I just wish they gave me a full list of all of the actual integrations that it has. Honestly, market, superpowered Notion templates and resources. I could put some Notion templates up here. This would be the place to do it. Yeah. And I could charge for it too, because this is $10, this is $6, this is free. This is nice. This is nice as hell. Oh, fucking beautiful. From Notion to website in minutes. MailChimp, Circle. So yeah, in terms of like the next idea, I got distracted like hell. We would probably do something with Super, right? We would probably do something with Super where you pay me, I set everything up for you, I set up the circle, I set up the other thing, and I charge per month basis, right? So I would charge, that's probably a good idea. This is $12 per month, right? $12 per site per month. So you give me, well, no, but you already have a website, right? But no. Okay, yeah. So I build you a Notion page where you showcase all the stuff that you're doing. I hook it up with Super so people can look at it and watch it. I hook it up with live chat analytics so people can chat with you while you're doing things on your Notion site. Maybe I also hook up a Circle community. I would have a list of things. I would have a list of like things that you can get, right? Live chat support, automatic SEO friendly. Yeah. That's what I would do. So I would give you like a list of pricing. So let me write this down. I would give a list of ad ons, and I would manage all of them for you. All these into... You wouldn't buy with that flow? Okay, no, totally. Please, give me feedback on this. So, I need to make it easy for you. How can I make this easy and charge it as a product or service? You pay... I don't know. I think the value is mostly in you. It's mostly in me. Okay. So maybe I manage that for you on the backside. Maybe it's not just me setting up... Dude, Joe, do it. Absolutely. Maybe it's not just me setting up these different tools, but me, like, every month, maybe better run through the Substack. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like not, though, because, like, the ones that they're doing here, they're just testing this out. We would have to... This is just, like, an idea. So, Slack channel, a chat channel where you can ask questions and all that kind of jazz. The Circle community, kind of like we were seeing here, right? This is a community on Circle. And you can log in, you can ask questions and all this kind of jazz. Can I chat with people? How does this work? Comments, spaces, topics, great. Can I send them messages? No, it's more like a forum. Community.super.so. Yeah. Okay, so a chat channel, a Circle community, something like that. Maybe it's not just like the tools that I give you. Maybe this is... I run this for you, and you pay me a certain amount, and after a certain amount, you don't pay me anymore, but I take I don't know, maybe I just take a percentage of the sales that you guys get. Yes, I only have a few minutes to my business call. Good point. I'm gonna hop off in like 2 minutes. I don't know. We're gonna brainstorm this though on this weekend though. I would love to brainstorm the living fuck out of this. But a series of little simple tools, a Notion board, or whatever else you use. Maybe it's a Trello board, maybe it's a wish list, maybe it's all this kind of jazz. Access to early access to content, 1 hour call with us per month, stuff like that. I would handle all of that for you, right? I would handle the scheduling of the calls. I would handle the community, right? Yeah, we'll brainstorm on Minecraft tonight. Is it 8 p.m. you're hopping on? I might not. I don't know if I have time tonight. No, I should have time tonight. Yeah, let me put it on my little list. Minecraft. Cool. I'll hit you up. I'll clubhouse you. Yeah, I should be fine. But yeah, I interact with company data dashboards, which you can do internally with Notion with some outside Notion tools. Yeah, I would just manage all of the information for you on the back end, and I would handle the community aspect. I would be your community manager. I'm a hire-on community manager that you get paid for. You get paid for the community. So I'm managing a product for you, and your product is your community. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, we'll think about this. I'm the hire-on community manager. Set up all the boards, track all the info, etc. Set up the calls, and just pay me a percentage. Maybe. I don't know. I do not know. I'm fully unaware. Alright, cool. We'll think about it, but this is a lot of fun. I'm gonna hop off. I need to go to the bathroom before I hop on my call. Thank you so much, everybody, for brainstorming this with me. We're gonna have a ton of fun playing going under while we brainstorm this. This will be a blast. I'll see you all later. This is a lot of fun. Clearly, v.One is pretty dang cool. I'm gonna keep futzing with it, and hopefully the individuals that hopped on before are a little bit better at v.One and can give me some advice on how to make the murder mystery app that we're trying to build. But yeah, this general template is pretty done. Thank you for helping me name the funny shit. Alrighty, have a wonderful day. I will see you on Saturday.